Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Discord on PC. There are two options to follow and we're going to go about explaining these. Now if you're using a Windows PC, you have the option to download it from the store. We're going to go over to our search bar and search for Store. Now here in the store you can search for Discord. And here we have the Discord app. We're going to select it. And as you can see, I have mine already installed, but if you don't have it, you're going to have the option to click on it to install it. The second option is to go over to discord.com. When we go over to discord.com, we can see the website and we have the option up here to download it. Of course, you can simply scroll down and you have the option to download for Windows. You can click on this and this will download the setup file into your computer. You of course have the other option to open Discord for your browser. But after downloading Discord for your Windows, you can go ahead and install it and put in your login details to use Discord. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.